Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the path to light. The path to light. Doors are opening for you. Don't worry about the ones that are closing, because another one is opening for your betterment. It's actually going to give you the freedom and the results that you're looking for. If you're watering multiple plants, as we say on this page, which one is blossoming the quickest? Which one is giving, which one of their buds are actually sprouting into a flower form right now? Use what you can do right now. The other plants will catch up and they'll be able to add on to your gifts. I made a conscious choice to move toward the light one step at a time, making sure that you step towards that door, towards your gifts, and use that. I transform my weaknesses into strengths by mastering my thoughts. Time management is a huge thing. The right thing at the right time will blossom. And having a teachable spirit and having a humble spirit and being able to go with the flow really changes your trajectory and your reality. I overcome obstacles with positivity and acceptance. I develop my gifts and extend my light to every being unconditionally. You're in the best place that you can be, Aries. Make sure you stay in the positive. Make sure you keep walking this path of light and just compliment it. Make sure you take advantage. Do your best. Be your best, because everyone's watching and we're mimicking you. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.